Hello everybody, Liquid here. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart and reassemble the YJ axis cube. So this is a YJ branded axis cube. I think that's the only one that there is. But basically what this is a shape nod of a normal 3x3. I don't have one around, but just a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So how you're going to assemble it is just turn the top layer 45 degrees like always. And then find an edge piece. So there's a lot of different types of edge pieces on this cube. This one, and this one. Well, these two are both the same, and so are these. And then what you're going to do is just pull your thumb down on this piece like this. I'm going to take this piece out, by the way. And then pull your other thumb up on this one. And then it should just pop out simply like that. If it doesn't seem like it's going to come out, that means either it's pretty tight, in which case you should just keep going, or you're pulling the wrong type piece out, or in the wrong way. So just stop and look at what you're doing. So as you see, what I'm doing here is just taking the corners out. You can do that, and then you can just simply slide this around some more. Take the edges out, like that, corner out, edge out, corner out, and edge out. And then we can just turn these sides and they will just completely fall apart. You may need to mess with it a little bit, but it will. And there we go. So real quick, I'm just going to sort all these into a bunch of different categories. So we have these types of corners, which go along with these types of corners. And then we also have these types of edges, which go along with these types of edges in a different category. Okay, so I got these pieces all sorted out, and so now we're going to start with the assembly, which is going to be just like a 3x3, only you're just going to approach finding what pieces need to go where a little bit differently. So what I'm going to do is just look at different two center pieces that are next to each other, and I'm going to find two common colors on both of them, so like the common color. And so this one would be white. And you see on this one, it's flat. It goes flat across there. You could look right down there. It would just go flat. But you see on another one like this, these blue ones, no matter what you do, you can't get them to line up really. Like, it'll be like kind of weird. And so we're going to try and find the ones that's flat like this. And then we'll find a flat piece that will go in between there. And so this is a flat white piece. And we can turn this piece 45 degrees, stick it in just right underneath there. Or the other way actually, and then slide this back up until they're touching like that. And you see we can line this piece up as well, and you see it'll just go flat as well, so we're gonna just find another piece that goes flat, and then we put that piece in at 45 degrees and put it in like that. And now we're gonna find one of these normal looking corners like this and just stick it in. It'll be one of the two, and then we'll find the last flat piece that needs to go right here next to it. Make sure it's in the right way, and just slide it in, just like that. So now we're going to work around, let's say, the center. It doesn't really matter which center you work around, but so now we're just going to find a piece that has this color on it, one of these weird edge pieces, and I'm just going to do this both ways, and I see that this piece does not line up, no matter how you put it in, so it's not that piece. So let's see this piece will line up, see, just like that. So what we're going to do is find it so this piece is also lined up, this yellow piece, and then rotate this 45 degrees, put it in, rotate this up. So basically just experiment until you can get it so it lines up perfectly like that. And now we can find the corner piece, and that's the long skinny one that goes right into here. And then we find the edge piece that needs to go into here. It's one of the weird two-sided ones again. It's the one that we tried earlier and didn't work, but it should work in this case, which it does. And now since we're working around this piece, you see we can just line this yellow up, just like that. You see this goes flat, and so we get one of the flatter pieces. Do that, and then we'll find the corner piece that needs to go in there, slide that around, it's the skinny one. Find the edge piece that goes in there, see that one will fit. So we can turn this all the way around, stick it in, put it all the way back. Corner piece, just like this, if I can get it to go in. And then the last edge piece is two-colored, just like that. So now for the last layer, I'm just going to find one of the pieces, let's just do a flat one. I'll line it up with that part right there, stick it in, so you see we have to kind of misline a layer under there, stick it in, and then realign that, and just rotate this around until it fits. I think it fits right there. And so then we find a corner that'll go in, just sticking straight out like that. And then this edge piece needs to go into here. And so again, we just stick this little thing underneath there by first rotating this one a little bit. Stick that thing under, and rotate this one back up, and then moving that layer back. And then we can find the corner piece again. There we go. This edge piece. There we go. This corner piece, and this is just like the last couple of pieces of a normal Rubik's Cube. That one, and then we can simply stick it in like this. And the last piece, we'll do this. We'll misline this layer, bring it down, and it will be completely reassembled. So I hope this video helped you. If it didn't, you can leave a comment down below and I'll help you. And if it did help you and you want to see more videos like this, you can leave a like below. And you can subscribe to be notified if a future video like this comes out. And if you have any other questions or comments, you can leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time.